If you try to drink water from the ocean, it will be salty. It will dehydrate you and eventually kill you. This is why no one drinks ocean water. But what happens when you have nothing else left to drink? See, I am now in one of the driest countries in the world, the Emirates. It's a country with very little water. It has 0 rivers, it rains 10 days a year, it is surrounded by salty ocean water, and 90% of its groundwater is also salty. In other words, 10 million people live in the desert with not enough water to drink, not for humans or animals. This isn't just the Emirates. 99% of the world's water cannot be drunk. It's just too salty or too frozen. But for the first time ever, I want to show you the step-by-step process of how this country found water. The first thing they did is collect the only water they have, ocean water. Then they built this. Tens of these factories that specialize in one thing, removing salt from water. They take the ocean water, pressure it, and put it through a filter that does not allow salt to enter. Salty water goes in here, and fresh water exits from here. This is a crazy complicated process. Every day, not thousands, not millions, billions of liters of waters are cleaned this way. Every day, billions of liters of ocean water enter salty and leaves clean. Now, 90% of the entire country's water comes from the ocean. It is the highest in the world. Okay, so we're here at a farm in the middle of the desert, and I have this. This water came straight from the ocean, and it was desalinated in the process, and now you can use it to actually, feed the animals, feed the plants, and it's very cool, it's very warm, and it's very drinkable. That's magic! The next thing they did is even crazier. Instead of cleaning water, they created new water. And this is a true story. They sent planes all the way to the clouds and released salt in the air. They have a lot of it. Because of the salt, the clouds grow bigger and bigger, and eventually they rain fresh water into the country. This is called cloud seeding, and in 2017, they did it almost every single day. And when that water falls to the ground, they catch it. All the rainwater they collect here by building a huge dam. And this fresh water is what keeps the people alive. I don't think people appreciate this enough. But this water is fresh water, it's rainwater, that was supposed to go to the ocean and become salty. But they caught it before it went to the ocean in the middle of a dam, and they made this lake. But most importantly, you can drink this water. From desalination to cloud seeding to dam building to well building, humans are doing the impossible just to find water. And the big idea here is simple. If we have to go and seed clouds and do all this complicated stuff, the least we can do is save water when we can and turn off that water sink.